Hello guys, ayun, nagluto ako ng squid. Huli ng aking mananagat. Nakahuli siya nito. At agad kong niluto. Masarap ito guys kasi fresh na fresh. Ginisa ko lang sa bawang sibuyas at sili. Lagyan ng konting paminta, toyo, konting asin, at konting magic sarap. Konting tubig. Yummy. It's already cooked. It's time to eat guys. The fresh squid. Dinner time.